In today's digital world, having a strong online presence is the key to unlocking a flood of potential clients. So let's dive into creating a real estate website that turns online browsers into happy homeowners. First, decide on your website's structure. Think about a clean, user-friendly design with sections for property listings, agent bios, client testimonials, and a contact form. Next, optimize your website with relevant keywords that potential clients might use when searching for properties in your area, focusing on location, property types, and amenities to increase visibility in search engine results. High-quality property photos and virtual tour are essential, so invest in professional photography to showcase listings in the best possible light, highlighting key features and creating an inviting online experience. Craft detailed and engaging property descriptions that highlight unique selling points, local amenities, and neighborhood advantages, enticing potential buyers to learn more. Implement lead capture forms and calls to action throughout your website, encouraging visitors to sign up for email updates, request property information, or schedule a consultation. Integrate social media platforms to share listings, market insights, and engage with your audience, creating a consistent brand presence across all your channels. Track your website's performance with analytics tools, monitoring traffic, engagement, and lead generation to identify areas for improvement and refine your marketing strategies over time. By implementing these strategies, you'll create a powerful online platform that attracts clients, builds trust, and helps you close more deals in today's competitive real estate market.